We just yesterday had a micro louver panel fitted to the outside of the window at the office, and David's in there holding up a light, a bright light. So
I'm not sure what you want me to do here.
I was just getting you to wave.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant wave the light.
Oh no, that's it. No, close the door. We'll go on, carry on. So we've just got a light here just to sort of demonstrate how this how this louver works. This is a micro louver. Basically, it's very tiny little louvers, very tiny, pitched at 17 degrees. And the idea of these is you can see through. You can see inside the office. And then, but as imagine the high summer sun. I'm just raising the phone up now. Imagine the summer sun is beating down from a higher angle, and I've gone above my head now, but you can't see any light coming through at all. Basically the angle of the blades as you come down. There we go. So it's basically the high summer sun blocks out all of the light from outside, all of the solar gain from outside, so that you can stop any upward light pollution and also stop solar gains in the summer entering the building. Absolutely fantastic, and we shall be using this more. We've got a couple of schemes where it's absolutely perfectly suited to it. Just come and get it again. That's great, awesome bit of kit. More to follow, no doubt, on some projects coming soon.